Slow down, baby, please. Look, I believe it's healthy to get to know someone a long period of time. You know, just call me old-fashioned, you know. I don't want to rush into a physical relationship. I'm not emotionally ready for a commitment of this magnitude. Really is the word I'm looking for. Magnitude. Ah! Hey, that is unwanted physical contact. Hey, what are you doing? Okay, look, let's just back up a little and take this one step at a time. I mean, we really should get to know each other first, you know, as friends, or maybe even as pen pals, you know, because I'm on the road a lot, but I just love receiving cards and being so, hey, you know, I really would love to stay, but hey, don't do that. That's my personal tab. Well, you gonna tear it off. I don't give permission to, hey, what are you gonna do with that? Hey, no. Oh!
Yeah, it's getting them to shut up, that's the trick! Head for the exit! I'll take care of the dragon.